This is where it begins. Not with a bang, but with a whisper. The moment you look at your own reflection and finally admit, this isn't working. That admission isn't failure. It's the first, most crucial fracture in the wall holding you back. The light gets in through the cracks. You don't need to rebuild the whole city today. You just need to lay one stone. The right stone. What is the smallest, most undeniable truth you can act on right now? I need a clear space to think. I need to move my body. That first stone is a promise you make to yourself. It doesn't have to be grand. It just has to be true. This is the part they don't show in the highlight reel. The daily chisel. Some days it feels like you're striking granite. Other days, it flows. Motivation leaves, discipline moves in. You show up not because you're inspired, but because you made a promise. And with each strike, you're not just building a skill, you're building the person who doesn't quit. It will rain. You will stumble. The path will disappear in the fog. This isn't a sign you're on the wrong path, it's a sign you're on a real one. The storm doesn't ask for your perfection. It asks for your persistence. Do you wait for it to pass, or do you learn to dance in the rain? The answer defines the builder. You look in the mirror and see someone familiar, yet changed. The cracks are still there, but now they look less like damage and more like character. The goal hasn't just shifted, you have. You realize you're not building a monument to be admired. You're building a home for your spirit. And you finally have the blueprint, your own resilience. You reach a ledge and catch the view. It's magnificent. You can see how far you've come. But you also see new, taller peaks in the distance. And a beautiful thought arrives, I get to keep going. The finish line was an illusion. The joy is in the climb itself, in the strength of your legs and the clarity of the air. The mountain you were scaling was never out there. It was within you all along. And now, you are the mountain, strong and enduring. The journey continues.